So here it is. You get a whole bunch of these toys. Here's some ping pong balls and some cups. And here's like one of the games they want you to do. So it's all interactive. You get all these stuff for you to do. So for example, you have 30 seconds to bounce 2 balls into 2 cups at the same time using one hand. And here's another. Oh, with these chopsticks, place 4 dice in a cup. Using chopsticks, you only have 30 seconds to transfer. So all these things, another one is you have to put these, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but let me try. So you put it on your hands, and then you're supposed to grab it like that, and then put it in the cup, and you got 30 seconds to do that. And it's just a game for everybody to play. It's called the Bonkers Battle of Wacky Challenges. It's a family party game for kids and adults. So lots of fun stuff. You also get this bag full of dice and these chips, and you bet on it. You also get these 2 chopsticks, and then you get these. And what you have to do is within 30 seconds, so the clock is ticking, you get this SAM thing. See, it's starting to go down. So I would have 30 seconds to get this, and then, this is harder than it looks. And then you get it, and then, oh my gosh, see, I'm going to lose. So, but how, okay, oh, here's a cheaty way of doing it. So, and then you would have to drop it in here. You got 30 seconds. Oh, my time is almost up. And you would have to transfer as many of the dice. There's a whole bunch of dice in here into the cup. So lots of fun things to play. And it's just really interactive. So, and here's like a notepad for you to write stuff down too. And they also have this measuring tape. I'm like, wow, this is going to be so fun. And some of these are a little bit longer, so that's why I'm not reading the longer ones. But here is Lungs of Steel. Line 4 cups with a ball inside each cup. You have 30 seconds to blow all the 4 balls out of the cups. You can hold the cups so they don't blow over. So lots of fun, interactive games to play. Ninja. Lay the tape measure on the floor and stand at the start of it. You have 3 attempts to throw the challenge card over 6 feet. So that's what the measurement's for. So lots of fun, interactive games for the whole family. It's by Beat That. So thank you so much for sending this to me. I'm super excited to play. It just looks like a really fun family game to play. I think it'll be fun when you have a lot of people and all of us try to play it and win each other.